So I have successfully uploaded the code on the board. Okay. So now I'm attaching the power supply. Now the output is at A6. So this is our A6 pin. So I have inserted the jumper cable over here. Now what I want to do, I want to see the output. So there are two ways. One is we are having one buzzer, as well as right now we are having one LED that is connected to the relay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply connect this A6 with the relay. Okay. Now you can see that the LED is glowing, and then it is suddenly turning off and starting again from the zero. Okay. So to observe it properly, so to observe this properly, what we are going to do, we are going to make one change in the code. So we are going to increase the display, sorry, delay. Let's build this. Okay. Now what we are going to do, we are going to upload the code. Let's open the code, open the file, pwm demo hex. After that, we have to connect our target board, target, program, hold your reset button, program and verify, release your reset button, start. So uploading has been done. Okay. So now let's reset the board. So it is now glowing very slowly. Okay. And again it is turning off at the end and starting to glow again from the zero. Now if we want to do a little bit adjustment, like instead of turning off suddenly, what we can do, we can make it dim slowly. Again it is right now what is happening, it is dim in the starting, and uh, by the time slowly it is gaining the brightness. So what we have to do, we have to make it get dim slowly. Okay. So for that, what we have to do, we have to do small change in the code. First of all, what we are going to do, simply we have to just copy this whole part, copy. Here we are going to paste it, and we have to change the signs little bit. Instead of starting from 0, we are going to make it to 55. Here what we are going to do, it should go towards 0 from 255. Here you have to do I minus minus. Okay. So this loop is going to increase the light intensity. Okay. Slowly. And this is going to decrease the light intensity. Okay. Let's build this. So there is a big issue, I think. Let me copy this whole code. Copy. Let me now build it. Okay. So done. Let's upload the code again. Open file over here. So our file is open. Let's connect the module with the PC. Hold the reset button of the board. Program and verify. Release the button. Start burning the code. Okay. So code has been uploaded successfully. Let's see whether we are getting the desired output. So here what I'm going to do, let's reset it. So you can see that it is slowly gaining the brightness, and what should happen, it should slowly fade away. Okay. So now it is happening properly. Okay, there might be some issue. Let me see. Inside right one is going toward zero. Coming in over here. Okay. And one more thing, what we can do, we can connect it with the buzzer also. Okay. We can connect this to the buzzer also. For that, first we need to see the board diagram. Okay, let's remove this. So the motherboard diagram. In motherboard, what we have to look for? We have to look for this resistor. It is connected over here. Okay, pin number 14. So let's see where is our pin number 14 in the hard. Okay, so this pin is connected to, so it is in front of B1. So what we are going to do simply, we are going to short those pins. Okay, so let's go to this B1. So in front of B1, so we are going, so we are going to hear sound for a bit, and after that it's going to fade off. Okay, as we are increasing the intensity and we are decreasing the intensity. Okay, so next practical, what we are going to do, we are going to control this from an input. Right now what we are doing, we have hard coded all the intensity and all that stuff, okay, over here. So instead of directly hard coding these values, what we can do, we can provide these values from a sensor. Okay, so that we are going to see in the next session.